Hello, welcome back. This is your boy Paul Design, and welcome back to my channel. And in today's tutorial, we're gonna be learning on how to make a running text in a Kinemaster. So, if it is your first time in this place, please consider to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the bell button to receive notification whenever I upload a new video. So, we're gonna start to make a video like this one. Let's get into it. So guys, to create a running text in Kinemaster is so simple. First of all, we are going to come here at the layer part, come to the handwriting, then we select the color. So I'm gonna choose this color, orange. Then at the pen here, we come and select this one, like that. So we're gonna do like that. Okay, so I'm gonna make sure I adjust it like that. So another thing we are going to do is now again to come at the layer part and add text. So in this case, I'm going to write written like that. Go and select the fonts. So in the fonts, you're going to select your desired fonts. Choose Poppins medium, so like that. Okay, so I want you to be so keen on what I'm going to do. Let's come to text option and select character and reduce a bit like that to -6. Now I want you to be keen to what I'm going to do to set this text to start running. So I'm going to select the text. I'm going to drag them to the right end like that. Okay, then on my left hand there is a key sign somewhere here. I'm going to tap on it like that. So after I've tapped on it, the next thing that I want you to be so keen on it is that I'm going to move these layers to left like that. So then what I'm going to do now to tap on my text, drag it left to left like that. Like that. So let's play and see. Now you see our text is running. So I want you also to be so keen on what I'm going to do for it to run slowly. First, let's drag this our drawing handwriting up to where our video ends, up to there. So now to reduce the speed at which this text runs, what I'm going to do, I'm going to tap on the text again. Then I'm going to make it take a bit longer duration like that. So let's play and see. You can see it is now reduced. So let me drag it until it reaches to 15 seconds there. So now let's play and see how it runs. Now you can see it runs somewhat slowly. So because I want to have a running text that is non-stop, so what am I going to do? This is what I'm going to do. I'm gonna tap on the text and duplicate the text. I'm going to come on the left top. There is 3 dots there. I'm gonna tap them and duplicate my text like that. So after duplicating the text like that, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to drag it to this end. So because I want them to run smoothly and also to be so close, I'm going to adjust like that. So you see they are following each other. Now another thing that I'm going to do is now to edit this second text. Like the first text is reading welcome to Paul Design channel. So this is the second text that I'm going to edit. So I'm going to write like that. So let's play it. So again, I'm going to duplicate this text up to the place that I want the two to be next to each other. So again, I'm going to edit this, the third text. Like that. So again, if we are going to play, that's how it's going to do. So I'm going to repeat the same until the video ends. So I'm gonna again tap on the text, duplicate like that, then again drag like that, then again tap on it and come to edit. So still I'll do the same. So let's play it from the beginning.
Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you are new in this place, and also don't forget to hit the bell button to receive notification whenever I upload a new video.